My name.
Yeah, just name and what your job is.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn.
I've been working here at AW Fraser as 10 years. I'm the in charge of everything and everyone here in this area. I need to organize all the job to all of my co-workers, and then I need to teach them how to do the lasering of the blender, and then the bearings, and then about the quality. I need to go to the quality control if there is any bad thing in the parts. I need to coordinate all the team leaders if there is any problem of our parts.
My favorite thing is I only work every day because even in the Philippines, I'm workaholic, you know. If there is no work, I'm so, sad. No work. Yeah, I love to work.
Cut again. Okay.